Hey Matt, what do you pack in your backpack when you travel? Hey everybody, this is Matt from workanywhere.life, and I get asked that question quite a bit. How do I pack everything I need as a content creator and digital nomad to travel? Honestly, I can take a weekend or even a week in my backpack, right? Because as a guy, I don't need 10 pairs of shoes. I don't need, 5 different dresses, that sort of thing like women do. And ladies, don't get upset. You know what I'm talking about. I just don't need all that extra clothing. For me, travel is more like a pair of jeans, a pair of shorts, a few t-shirts, some socks and underwear, and I am good. Unless I'm doing something really wild and crazy. This is my Nomadic backpack, and I'm going to show you what I pack in there for content creation and digital nomad, trekking around the world. So let's literally unpack the backpack and see what's in there. We'll start with the front pocket over here. So what I like about this is that it unfolds really wide open, so I don't have to dig in all the time. But here's what I have. There's an RFID safe pocket up here, and that is where I like to store my passport. So in my passport, there we go. Now, there's a lot of people don't know that there are safety devices in there, and so you keep that RFID safe. I keep pens. I'm always writing something. I carry salt, sea salt, with me because table salt is terrible, and the minerals, and in particular the sodium, is very important in the sea salt. So I carry that with me, and that goes in here where it's easy to get to. Pens, my hydrogen, so hydrogen and prebiotics that I take with me on airplanes, because that really keeps my system working properly. And everybody gets colds on airplanes. I don't. So backup battery pack, that goes in here. I got earplugs because sometimes I'm at very loud events and I like to protect my hearing. Pill case in case I need to carry my supplements around with me. Headphones for the airplane. And that's what goes mostly into the front pocket. For me, anyway. Now, let's look in, right up front here. This handy pocket is where I keep, look at that. I keep my credit cards and I keep spare cash because I need to tip people and that makes it real easy to get to. I don't keep that in my pockets in my pants because pickpockets are much more clever than I am. So let's not play around with that. Now, in the big pocket right here, lots of more pockets here to keep things really organized. Currently, I'm not using these two. The side pockets are cool. This is kind of neat. It's a little keychain with a retractable cord so that you can keep your car keys when you're gone safe in here. I always keep marketing, right? Let's go. Marketing flyer handy at all times because there's always an opportunity for marketing. Sunglasses. This comes with its own sunglass case, which is cool, fits right in there. Now, what do I actually put in here? Here's the key. I travel with mixed nuts because airplane food sucks, absolutely sucks, and it's nothing but garbage. So that goes in there. I'm going to start, boom, here we go. Selfie stick for content creation, right? That's really important. Headphones for the airplane. Cables, cords, chargers, all of that goes in here. This is the gimbal that's holding my phone right now, goes in this. That goes in here as well. The lavalier mic that is on my collar right now so you can hear me better, that goes in here as well. And right now, I'm traveling pretty light, so that's all I need in that space. All right, let's take a look at this back pouch. On the back side here, very handy, travel pillow, right? Travel blanket, I mean, which also works as a pillow as well. Sometimes I stick a notebook in here. Right now, I have the iPad, which I use mostly as a notebook, and trying to do this one-handed, the laptop. Bingo. Now, here's the really fun part. Well, a couple of fun parts. If I wanted to just go away for the weekend and all I needed was some shorts, some underwear, socks, that sort of thing, this expands. So this is the Nomadic 20 liter, which expands right here, and plenty of space for laundry. Organizer, stick laundry in there. Perfect change of clothing for the trip. Let's assume that maybe I'm going away and I'm going to do some ATV or dirt bike, that sort of thing, or all sorts of fun sports activities. So I would keep my change of clothing in here. What's really cool also is that this is water resistant. Perfect. I could literally cross a river with this on my back and everything would stay safe and dry in here, including my laptop. Now, my Echo water flask goes in the side pocket. You know how sometimes these things stick out? I don't know if you've ever gotten yours caught on a doorknob or something. This is kind of cool because it has magnet closure. Stays nice and flat when I'm not using it. Perfect. Right now, tracking card. Hidden pocket. Right here where nobody is going to see it or get to it. Zip that closed. Where's the zipper? There we go. Lost the zipper. Perfect. And if I needed to, I can unsnap this, get into the back side of it. But what I like is that it's a stiff back, so it saves on some wear and tear in my back. There you have it. Nomadic, right? You got to remember the Nomadic 20 liter travel pack. This is my go-to. I take this on every flight. I take this everywhere I go. I absolutely love it. It is comfortable. It's so easy to travel with. Fits in the overhead or underneath the seat, usually under the seat, so I can access stuff while I'm on the plane. So where can you get this? If you go to my website at workanywhere.life or mattrandall.com and go to the shop tab, you will find a link to this where you can get a discount on getting your own. If you're looking for a backpack, honestly, this is the absolute best I've been able to find on the market.